Ladies and gentlemen of the Natural Hair Care Jury, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my Sally Beauty haul where I received 50% off of conditioners. I only have 2 of my 3 packages, but we're going to go ahead and open those up and see what products are inside. Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where we judge products, not people. And these are the products that I purchased from Sally Beauty during their 50% off shampoo sale. Next, I'm going to open the packages from Sally Beauty's 50% off conditioner sale. Now this one is where I have 2 of 3 packages. And after checking my order online, I discovered that the 3rd package, the shipping was actually canceled on December 27th. It was reissued, I believe, and as far as the tracking goes, it shows that it's going to be delivered on January 3rd, 2020. So instead of waiting an additional week past the time I already waited, I'll just go ahead and open these, and then I'll probably just share in a future video what it was that I was missing. I'm going to open this small package first. This is the 2nd package I received, and probably what happened is that sometime after my order was placed, they ran out of stock, on a particular item. So let's see what this is. It is the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Mask. And y'all know it have a long name and all of that, but I'm not about to go through all of that. You know what it is. This is not the channel to show late breaking, day 0 product release. So by the time you see a product on this video, unless you are very new to the hair care, the natural hair care community, you already know what these products are. But I'm interested to try this entire line. Now we're gonna open this large box, and this is package 1 of 3. The conditioners that I purchased. Ooh, stuff is spilling out. Hold up, y'all. The first thing I have is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Conditioner. And I understand this smells like chocolate. I'm not really a fan of chocolate, like talking about it, but we're gonna see. Here is the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Rinse Out or Leave-In Conditioner. Next, I have the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water. So I heard a lot of good things about this. This is 16 fluid ounces, but I heard a lot of good reviews about this. So we'll see how it works in my hair. Next, I have the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Moisturizing Mask. And this is 8 ounces. I have the Main Choice Peach Black Tea and Vitamin Fusion Conditioner. I got the Just For Me Curl Piece Tender Headed Detangling Treatment. So a lot of people, said positive things about this. And I'm not a pre-poo person, but in 2019, I did begin to try them. This is very affordable, so I said, why not? And y'all, if this is hair, I'm not gonna touch it this time, but if that's hair, I hope that it's just like a fleck or something of packaging. But what is it with all of these brands and these products with hair on the outside of these jars and bottles? I got 2 of the African Pride Moisture Miracle Heat Activated Mask. So I also got the leave-in from the line. I have the conditioner from the As I Am JBCO line. I have the leave-in conditioner from the line. I have the mask from the Main Choice Peach Black Tea and Vitamin Fusion line. I got the conditioner from the Main Choice Cheers line. I have the hair mask from the Mielle Rosemary Mint line. Again, I picked it up from Sally because I missed it. It was already sold out on Mielle's website. And a totally unrelated but OG product. Tell me if you know what this is. Bam! The original Infusium 23 leave-in treatment. The consistency is like water, but I will tell you, this was my life. I use this every day, and I got the 1 liter. I don't know how much this is, but it was 50% off. And I saw this and I just had to have it. And these are the conditioners that I bought from Sally's 50% off sale. 2 down, 1 to go. If you haven't watched part 1 of my Sally Beauty shampoos haul, make sure you check that out. And stay tuned for part 3, which will be the stylers video.